this video, I'll explain the language model for mathematics in relation to addition. The model represents the pedagogical approach for teaching and learning mathematics, based upon the metaphor that mathematics is a language. By utilising the language model, the teacher is effectively able to scaffold students' learning to coordinate meaning and develop a common language with them. Irrespective of age, when learning mathematics, the learner must progress through 4 language stages. The stages progress systematically by students initially using concrete materials and manipulatives common to everyday life of students and working towards using symbols to develop abstract mathematical skills. In doing so, the student gains deep conceptual understanding. They are able to relate learning experiences to pre-existing concepts and make generalizations in mathematics. In the student language stage, simple everyday words are used such as put with and altogether. Here is an example. 2 apples put with 3 apples makes 5 altogether. In this stage, manipulatives such as a teddy bear, toys, and photographs can be used. The concept of addition is characterized by joining the parts to find a total. And this can be modelled to students by using an addition match. Here is an example of an addition map. On the addition map we have a tree, 2 trees, and a bucket. And in this tree we have 1, 2 apples. 2 apples. In the other tree we have 1, 2, 3. 3 apples. How many do we have altogether? Let's put the apples in this tree into the bucket, and the other apples in the other tree into the bucket as well. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have 5 apples altogether. Students are able to practice executing this skill. At the same time, teachers can assess their conceptual understanding of the topic of addition. Watson and Sullivan describe conceptual understanding as the comprehension of mathematical concepts, operations, and relations. Strategies associated with addition include count on. This can be done from any number by counting 1 by 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and not more than 4. Doubles, for example, 2 plus 2 equals 4, and use tens by using the number closest to 10. In the materials language stage, the language is the same as the student language stage. However, materials found in the classroom are used instead. Here is an example. 2 blocks put with 3 blocks makes 5 altogether. The substituted concrete objects used in this stage can include counters, blocks, paddle pop sticks, graphics, place value mats as well. Here is an example of a place value mat. We have the 1s and the 10s column. The place value mats can be used in the mathematics language stage as well. The same process as the student language stage is being demonstrated in the video, but with blocks instead. Children are able to model the joining or combining process of addition. Another resource that would be beneficial is the use of an addition storybook to help children gain the concept of addition. The same process as the student language stage was just demonstrated. If the student is ready to progress to the mathematical language stage, the teacher can introduce the appropriate mathematical terms such as adds and equals. Here is an example. 2 add 3 equals 5. Diagrams, place value mats, photographs, and graphics are some tools that can be used. The process of moving through all these stages can take several weeks. The student shouldn't be introduced to symbolic languages until they are using mathematical language appropriately.